So today was our second full day at Paradise Village, and let me just tell you guys, it got pretty crazy. Western Night is our favorite activity night that Paradise Village hosts, and this year Brittany is determined to win the beer drinking contest. With our day beginning like this though, who knows how it'll go. So we got 2 bottles of champagne for free, 2 bottles of tequila, and another person recognized us from our vlogs here, and let me just tell you, this is the start of a great day. All right, after receiving 2 bottles of tequila, we also played tequila volleyball because that's just what we do as people, and now we're gonna try and win another bottle of tequila by playing this game. So let's see how we do. What's your strategy to win?
I don't have it.
What's your strategy?
I don't have one.
Jessica from New York.
Now it's not Atlanta, it's Anna. Jessica! Like, lob it up. Just Jessica! Yes. Don't hit other people.
Okay. Come on, tequila. Wait, look at her butt. Look at her butt. Here,
¿Te parece a Harley Quinn, ¿Sí? Like Harley Quinn. Ninguna más. Lo saca y nothing. Nada de nada.
Another day without tequila. I'm just kidding. We have so much tequila.
We have Brittany. We have Brittany. And more tequila. Okay, let's go over here.
Harder!
A little bit more power on that. Let's see. Oh, too much. Mucho.
It's okay. It's okay. We still have 2 bottles of tequila. Don't forget. Thank you so much.
I'm gonna need a cheers trio on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Trio! 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 Woo! Everybody loves us here.
We're famous here. We're literally famous here. Oh, sweet.
She's gonna try to hoop underwater. Hey Brittany.
Yes.
I don't think anybody's ready for Western Night.
They ain't ready. This is just a pregame. This is like
We're
a little
pre-gaming.
You don't know how many times I've done this.
All right guys, so we're getting ready for Western Night where Brittany is going to kill it in the beer drinking contest, right?
Yes,
Are you ready? You're gonna win, right?
I'm gonna win this.
She's gonna win.
I don't know why you're questioning it. Like it's.
I just had to make sure you knew that it was like in your head.
They basically have a name on the bottle for me. Like, yeah, we gotta give this to
They're like, yeah, it's already Brittany's bottle. So.
I have fans lined up.
Everyone's gonna be cheering for Brittany. And then, are you ready for Western Night?
Yes. It's gonna be late.
So we're continuously those people that are fashionably late.
Okay, I'm not the reason we're late. Don't even try to.
You're right,
hate
Jess
on
still
me.
isn't out here.
It's because I have to
Jessica.
It's because I have to do my makeup and then I have to do her makeup and sometimes I have to do Lindsay's makeup. It's very rare when I have to do Lindsay's makeup, but when I have to do all 3 people's makeup,
It's a lot of pressure.
Yeah.
So is making sure this is the best filmed beer contest ever. Let's go. Yes.
hopefully.
The princess herself. Let's go. Are y'all hyped?
I am super hyped. I'm ready.
She's gonna win.
I like how this vlog is all about me winning right now.
That's the only point of the vlog.
No, she's going first.
Jessica!
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 Venga!
Jessica! Come on! Yes! All right! Woo!
And then, where are you going?
Oh, she got there! Yeah, no! Jessica! Whose name did she sign?
We're gonna do it. Ching-ching.
You got this. She's got this.
Ahora tenemos
long. Yeah, you did.
Jessica.
Jessica, come on. Yes. Yes.
Jessica.
Easy on you. First. Nice. Lisa, ready? Go! Caballeros, ladies first. Brittany, show us what you got. A ver si es cierto, ¿eh? All right.
Yes, you can. You're from Tennessee. You good? So I asked Jess to get me some mashed potatoes. Some mashed potatoes. What's wrong with you? You gonna help?
Yeah. But wait, I'm saving up for the beer contest.
Oh God, the beer contest.
I don't know, what's up with everyone handing us like tequila shots?
People keep giving us tequila. Why didn't you guys get tequila? Wait, did we order these?
No.
I don't think we did. Did we order these?
Why didn't you guys get them?
Did we order these? I didn't order these. We keep getting free tequila. I'm sorry, Brittany, did you just say you weren't gonna take a shot with the trio?
I'm just saying that it's gonna make me gag.
No justification is gonna work. We're all taking a shot. Woo!
Is this Brokeback Mountain too?
Yes! Yes, it is! This is the best thing ever.
Is this Brokeback Mountain too? Peer pressure. Peer pressure.
Killed
Es
it!
el momento que todos hemos estado esperando esta noche.
This is the beer drinking contest, and I'm
Ready for it!
Llamada para un espectacular show de baile. Right now it's time for the International Beer Drinking Contest.
Woo! Let's go! Brittany, how do you feeling, Brittany? Brittany, how you feeling?
Men, women, 8 of you guys. 8 people over mayores de 18. Concurso Internacional de Menores de Cerveza. International Beer Drinking Contest. Tenemos
Stay in the
otro, señor.
contest.
Bienvenido, welcome, señor. De este lado.
You guys gotta do this, okay?
I can't drink beer.
Yes, you
I'm
can.
feeling a little quizzy, so.
You got this.
Salúdense, por favor, shake hands. Nice. Oh!
Oh!
Muchas gracias, señorita. Thank you very much.
Can you finish that for me?
Okay.
Come on, Brittany, come on, Brittany, come on, come on, come on, Brittany, Yes!
Aplauso, por favor, para ella, bravo. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias.
I am literally have never been more turned on in my life, ever. Brittany's about to be so drunk. I am so turned on right now. That was all we needed.
Por favor.
She freaking won!
Al mismo tiempo. Y at the same time.
Yeah, for real though.
Brittany, ¿quieres decirle algo al señor? Do you want to say something to this guy?
Don't drink that fast.
Buena suerte. Buena suerte means good luck. All right. What do you say?
Uno, dos, tres! That's not even fair!
Por favor, un aplauso para la señorita. Big applause for this beautiful lady. Aplausos. Pero tenemos.
I'm the queen of second place.
Hey, you won against all the women though. You did win against all the women.
I wanted the bottle.
We deserve that.
He was like, what? Hello, runner-up.
How to not hit on girl 101. Do that one more time. Stay down.
You guys order that?
No!
Maybe it's from.
It's for you guys.
People keep getting us free shots, and I don't know what to do because we're. But then I don't like to waste things, you know. We're not gonna waste. The guy bought me a mixed drink, but he didn't buy my friend's mixed drink.
If you want to be her lover, you gotta get with my friends.
I don't know how to tell you guys this, but we got another free shot of tequila.
That's 4 total
The
today.
guy that gave it to us was attractive this time at least. I did not plan on vlogging drunk. Another person told us that they saw our vlogs. I'm hyped. I'm so hyped. I'm so happy. Okay, so we finished Western night. Brittany basically won the beer drinking contest, at least among the girls.
That was some BS. That guy did that in 2.2 goals.
Yeah, he literally.
I guarantee the next year I'm gonna have a signature move like that guy where it's like, oh, blah,
Yeah.
done.
She's gonna learn to open her throat up, beer gone. That's what's gonna happen.
Yes.
hair looks so pretty right now. Anyway, we got a bunch of free drinks, a bunch of free shots of tequila, and I think we're going to a casino now, but I don't think it's a good idea to take the camera anymore, so we're gonna leave that here. But thank you guys for joining us today on our second full day at Paradise Village, and we will catch y'all on the next one. Woo!